Today we make one of the most delicious quick desserts that we've made yet. And we're doing it with, drumroll, this lean body molten dark chocolate cake powder. Not only do these smell and taste delicious, but they also pack a ton of protein. Before I start salivating anymore, let's just jump right into them. In a bowl, you're gonna add 6 tablespoons of whole wheat pastry flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 scoop of this lean body molten dark chocolate cake powder, which by the way is available in the link below if you want to check it out, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 3 ounces of unsweetened almond milk, 2 ounces of unsweetened applesauce, half a tablespoon of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything together until all of your clumps are gone, then take out a couple small ramekins, coat them with some cooking spray. Here's where you can change things up, but keep in mind that your cooking time will more than likely change. You can double or triple the recipe to make more, use a bigger ramekin for a huge cake, or smaller ones for even smaller cakes. Now last, evenly distribute half of your mix into the bottom of your ramekins, then add in a couple chocolate chips and a squirt of a low sugar chocolate syrup, or you could also use some chocolate pudding. Throw those in the oven and bake them on 350 for around 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure not to overbake them or you'll miss out on the molten part.